So KG, what home upgrades can I do to increase my house value? Well, all upgrades are not created the same, right? Yep, you're right. I'm gonna talk about that in a minute. Hey there, this is a KG with Fairfax Realty in Greenbelt, where we help buyers and sellers to buy their dream home and sellers to sell their houses. And we do this in the Maryland, DC, and Virginia region. So if you're looking to buy, sell, or move, please contact us below. We'll take care of you. We also upload videos weekly on what is going on in our market region and what you can do to improve your real estate. Subscribe to the channel so you get an updates once we upload a new video, and do share the channel with your friends and family, and drop a comment for me and I will definitely respond to your comment. So today I'm talking about upgrades, and I get this question a lot. Oh, I put 50,000 in my house, I should get it back. What upgrades did you do? Not all upgrades are created equally. So I'm going to discuss 5 upgrades that we are seeing a lot of return for sellers when they're ready to sell the house. The first upgrade is total kitchen renovation, right? If your kitchen is very old, it has not been renovated in the last 20, 30, 40 years, you may want to look at total kitchen renovation. This is complete overhaul of your kitchen. That costs you a pretty penny, but you do get return when you want to sell it. You enjoy it now and you get return when you want to sell it. The next one is kitchen upgrade. So it's different from kitchen renovation. Kitchen upgrade. Your kitchen is not old. I mean, it's not that old, but the appliances is old. Maybe you have an older appliance. I'm talking of kitchen in the last 10, 15 years, right? You have open space kitchen, open floor, but they're showing wear and tear right now. So you may want to do kitchen upgrade, like replacing your cabinet, changing your appliances to newer appliances, changing your faucet. If you have a Formica now, you can upgrade to granite countertop or style stone, changing the kitchen flooring. If you have vinyl, now you can go to hardwood or go to ceramic tile in your kitchen. So that's kitchen. That's the second one, kitchen upgrade. The third one is HVAC replacement. So if your heating AC unit is 15, 20 years old, if you're thinking of any upgrade, you should definitely look at HVAC replacement. HVAC replacement will definitely save you money now, because most of the HVAC system that is out now are highly energy efficient. That means you're going to cut down on your energy use, thereby saving you money. And then whenever you're ready to sell it, that you'll get that money back. So definitely you should look at if you want to do any upgrade. If your HVAC system is older than 15, it's 20 years, you should definitely look at that to upgrade it, to replace it. The fourth one is owner suite. So if your house does not have owner suite and you have the land that you can do the expansion, and you have the money, because owner suite, to have owner suite is expensive. It can run you up to 70, 100,000 depending on the contractor that you use. It's one thing that you will definitely get you your house value to go up, because owner suite is sells. Buyers come in, they want to see owner suite. So if you can do it, definitely want to do it. The last but not the least, the fifth one, is bathroom renovation. Bathroom renovation, definitely worth your while doing. It's not as expensive as owner suite. So changing the commode, the flooring, the shower, and the lighting, that can run you up to 35,000 depending on the contractor that you use. But not only do you get to enjoy it now, when you want to sell the house, definitely brings back the value. So those 5 renovation is what we are seeing that brings the most bang for your money when you want to sell your house. So any renovation that you're planning to do, even if you're not selling your house right now, you should look at this 5 and move your renovation towards this 5. It doesn't mean you have to do all the 5. The ones that you can afford, that's what you want to do. Always remember, no matter how much you love your house, No matter how much you think you're just going to stay there, a time is going to come that when you want to sell it. And when you want to sell it, you want to get the most out of it. When the only way to do that is your buyers like it. Kitchen and bathroom sells houses. So make sure you put at least money into those two areas out of the five that I discussed, so that you get the most for your money whenever you're ready to sell it. All right. So if you're looking to buy, sell, or move in the Maryland, DC, and Virginia, please contact us below. We'll take care of you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you get updates once we upload a new video. The next video I'm going to do is going to be upgrades that you should not do because it actually decrease your house value. Yeah, there's some upgrades like that. All right, see you next time. Ciao.